Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. If you are new here, hello. My name is Yesenia, good to have you. In today's occasion, I'll be showing you how to make quick and easy hazelnut brownies right at home. And all of the ingredients that you're going to need are 1.5 cups of hazelnut spread, half a cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 2 large eggs at room temperature, and the toppings of your choice are at your discretion, but I added 1/4 of a cup of walnuts and 1/4 of a cup of chocolate chips. It definitely gives it a perfect touch to at least add in the chocolate chips, and they melt and it's so gooey and so yummy. The first thing you want to do is set in your hazelnut spread into the microwave for at least 30 seconds or so to make this more liquidy, and then go ahead and set 1.5 cups into a bowl to mix just like this. Then you want to go ahead and add your teaspoon of vanilla extract. Of course, you want to incorporate the half a cup of all-purpose flour and combine. Next, you want to take your 2 large eggs and add them into the mixture here. And it could be easier for you to just use your handheld mixer or your stand mixer, but even a whisk works if you don't have a spatula at hand. And you're almost done. After combining all of the ingredients really well, you want to add in the additional toppings, and that is at your discretion. One thing you can do as well is once you set the batter in your 8x8 pan, you can certainly drizzle some dulce de leche in there, or instead of walnuts, add pecans. It's whatever you like on your brownies. For the last step, you want to take some Pam or Easy Bake or any nonstick spray down your 8x8 pan really well, and go ahead and pour in your batter just like this. Go ahead and spread your batter evenly and set to bake at 350 degrees for 30 minutes or until your toothpick comes out clean. Once you remove your brownies from the oven, allow to cool completely before cutting in. And at that point, you can go ahead and cut in the size of your preference. I would just recommend to cut the edges of the brownies. Your brownies should look something like this. They're super delicious, guys. I 10 out of 10 recommend. You won't need any other recipe but this one, and it'll be definitely a hit at your next gathering. And there you have it, guys. Quick and delicious brownies to make right at home. You take no time at all. And they're super chocolatey. I'm sure that you enjoy these. And if you do try out this recipe, feel free to tag me on any of my social media accounts. And with that being said, turn on that notification bell if you haven't already so you don't miss any future videos. Subscribe to the Scoring YouTube family. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.